What it do? Can y'all tell I have on two different type of eyelashes? Because I lost the other one to this one. It's somewhere in my car. And then this one I found it in my behind my bed. so I'm like, I don't have time to go get some new lashes. So I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna have to make this shit work today. Thank you. So, anywho, welcome guys back to Regina's World. It is a crazy one, but thank you for joining me for another video. It's been a minute since I did a vlog, but I am headed to Lake Las Vegas to meet Aaliyah. We're going on a yacht tour today, a yacht tour. And we're pretty excited about it, to be honest. It was supposed to be for me and my husband, but as you will know real soon, things did not work out between us. So this was already paid for and booked a while ago, so I still had to go, including tomorrow as well. But anyway, Aaliyah's gonna go with me, my partner in crime. We're gonna have a good time. She called me and asked me did I have any juice, because she got tequila in her car, so she's talking about getting turned up. I'm like, okay. So I just literally just grabbed a bottle of juice out of my refrigerator, pink lemonade, and said, here we go, here's your chaser. but you know what it is what it is. So I'm taking you guys with me. I have on a cute little Fashion Nova outfit. It's a crop top, little pants set. I thought it would be real cute for the cruise, you know, more relaxed kind of outfit. But yes, I'll see you guys when I get to Lake Las Vegas. Okay, so we are here. Well, I'm here. I gotta find where Aaliyah is though. Because I know she's here. Because I heard the... Oh, I think I see her. There she is. Okay, so I'm finna meet up with Aaliyah and we're finna get on the yachts. That just sounds so something, doesn't it? We're getting on a yacht. That's amazing. There you were, Aaliyah. Hey. Get it, girl. Get it, girl. Vogue. Ah! Who are you talking about? Aaliyah, how you feeling? How awesome is this? Hi.
Oh, please watch your step.
Okay. Wow. Oh, it feels so nice in here. Oh, it smells so good. Wow. Oh, it feels so good in here. Oh my God. Bitch. Okay, so we're gonna go upstairs a moment and explore the upper deck. Let's explore the upper deck, guys. Oh wow. The upper room. So right now, me and Lily are gonna get some a drink apiece. I don't know what we can get with this, but it's gonna get signed. We're gonna spike it. Because, as you know, we got this big old bottle of tequila in a purse. Big ass bottle. So. I mean, it's not big, but it's gonna do the job. It's definitely gonna do the job. We on here till 8 o'clock. Oh yeah, it's gonna do the job. Oh yeah, it's about to Man. I'm gonna go to work. I'm fucked up. Yet again, I need some. I was fucked up last night. Damn. This gotta stop. I need to be saved. I need to ask God for some help. It's just not okay to keep going to work drunk every night. No. But it's not over because I have tomorrow to go. But luckily,
tomorrow to go. We still got tomorrow.
We still have tomorrow.
Damn.
But Monday I don't have to work, so I'm off. I can sleep all day. You gotta work Monday?
At 2. Gotta get started for you guys.
Cheers! Aaliyah said she wanted to fuck in the campus room.
In the airport. In the airplane. In the Hancock.
When?
I can't put that out.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Hold on, YouTube, I'll be right back.
No, you two.
We are finally moving.
Here we go. We're fucking moving.
Oh my God, we're moving. It's such a great day.
Y'all, we're moving.
It was crazy. I'm gonna literally leave here and go straight to work.
We're moving.
But we're moving.
Like, look, we're leaving the shore.
Bye, Shore.
Holy shit, let me show y'all the view. Hold on. Y'all gotta see the view. Oh my God. And we went paddleboarding here. So we see
Yes, we did. We have came here a few times. We've gone paddleboarding.
We ain't gotta do all the extra work.
Right. I believe I did kayaking here too. Didn't we do kayaking?
No, we did that in San Diego.
Oh, that's right, we did. When we did that workout thing down there, that's it. I will never do again. Oh my God,
San Diego.
that thing down there.
Thing, yeah, the obstacle course we said we wouldn't do again.
Oh man, that's hard. Man, you have to be in shape to do that.
I mean, a fucking full athlete. You can run a track star. You can run away when it gets hard, and you can swim when it gets hard.
Cause man, we was out of breath. We said, you know what? I think me and Aaliyah just stopped after a while. We was like, fuck this.
Fuck this shit. You gotta be fucked up. In all types of different ways. All type of muscles.
I just eventually just stayed in the water. I didn't even come out the water no more. I said, I'm not getting on that thing no more. Like, this is ridiculous. Like, look at the kayaking. Take a nice little shot there.
Let's show them what people.
Yes, it is. Oh, we are out here. We are out here. It feels fabulous on this water. This is amazing.
Perfect, thank you. Of course. You want to shout out? No, okay, let's say.
That's the cockpit. All right, guys, our cruise is over.
Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.
What else should I do?
And subscribe.
That's right.
Do you hear me?
Put on your
subscribe.
Post notifications. So when I drop a video, you will know.
Exactly.
This was an experience. I hope you guys like this vlog. This was a really nice one. It was a really relaxing, good start of my Memorial Day weekend. Tomorrow it's time to turn up. This was a really relaxing day. But tomorrow we turn up. At the show. So, I'm finna end this vlog here. You guys have a wonderful night, and I will see you guys in the next vlog. Bye.